So on our journey to help support local businesses, we are here at Roma d'Italia, founded in 1961 apparently. It is really busy. It's 5 o'clock on a Sunday, there's already no parking, and there's a 20-minute wait as we signed up for it. Why are we here? We're supporting local businesses, and we're just in the area. Looked on Google, found a place that said Roma d'Italia, said it had a lot of good reviews on it. My daughter loves Italian food, so we want to try a nice Italian place for her and see what it's like. Okay, the very minute we sat at the table, right away a server came and gave us some rolls. There were 4 rolls for all of us, so let's take a look, see how their rolls are, Italian rolls. Crispy on the top, soft in the middle. It definitely tastes fresh baked in their own restaurant. It tastes really good. Nice crispy crust, soft in the middle. Butter if you want. It's a good roll. I'm really excited for the rest of it because this sounds like it's going to be a good place. Alright, some beautiful calamari, nice and fried. Marinara sauce over here. Lemon slices to go with it. Put some lemon on it. Let's dip it into the marinara. The flavors are mixing very nicely in this dish. It's very crispy, breaded coating, a nice soft calamari inside. You know, the tanginess of the marinara sauce, triply together, makes for a very good appetizer. So if you like calamari, this one is a very good calamari. Look at this antipasto. Any Italian restaurant you go to will have a different antipasto salad. So we got the greens, we got some, looks like salami, some pepperoncinis, red onions, all mixed together. Put on the dressing that came on the side onto it. A little bit of everything. Let's try it. That is a very fresh and good Italian dressing. That really makes the important part in the antipasto. A good Italian dressing, that one is fabulous. Mixed with all the different flavors. If you like an antipasto salad, this is a restaurant that has a very good antipasto salad for you to enjoy. This dish is called Linguine Giovanni. So you can see it's linguine noodles with spinach, olive oil, and it looks like on top they put some Parmesan cheese. It smells a little garlicky too, so I'm sure there's some garlic in there as well. That is so good. That is so good. The cheese in there, not olive oil, the noodles are really nice and done very well. The spinach has a good flavor to it. I could probably eat this one just all day. This is just so good. Let's try another. That's immaculate. I can see why this place is so popular. I talked to the waiter. He's worked here for 12 years. He says this is a family-owned business that they've had satellite places open up a couple times. One reason was to remodel this place. They had a second place open up. And you know, the food here is very good. I'm not sure how the other ones were, but you know, after they remodeled this place, they closed the others down. So this is the only place you can get the pasta from this family-owned business. And so far, it is well worth it. And I am going to try the next dish and see how good that one is. This is a baked spaghetti dish named after the restaurant Spaghetti Roma d'Italia. And it's got cheese on top. You can see nice cheese bake. It's got mushrooms and lots of other things inside. Let's get into this. That is a very good topping of crusted mozzarella cheese. It tastes very well baked, very well cooked. The noodles are nicely done. Let's try some more of the sauce on the inside. Nice light but flavorful sauce. Oh, the sauce is very flavorful too. This feels like there's a little bit of cheese in the sauce as well. Some very good taste to it. The noodles are perfectly baked. Tender, juicy. This dish is really good. I prefer the other dish, I'll be honest, but you can't go wrong with this baked spaghetti as well. I'm ready for my delight. After tasting that bread we first got, I'm expecting the dough on this pizza to be excellent. So I think this is the Calabrese pizza. Basically your margarita pizza at any other restaurant. It's kind of the same ideas. It's got the tomatoes, the basil, the mozzarella, and the sauce. So let's see how good it is. I'm really anticipating a great pizza because the bread was just so good when we came in. And the flavors are good. Definitely taste the freshness of the tomato and the cheese. The crust over here got soggy because it's really thin in that part. Let me try the edge crust, see how that is. Oh yeah, the edge crust is really good. It's just like the homemade fresh rolls. I can see this pizza is probably not suited for me very well. I prefer more cheese on a pizza than have as much cheese, but you can definitely taste the tomatoes and basil and the sauce that goes with it. If that is the kind of pizza you like, this one is a good one for you. Otherwise, you know, I might try one of the other pizzas that are more traditional style that you might have had in other restaurants.
It's tiramisu. The mascarpone cream is very good. The lady fingers are a little bit denser than I've had before, but they have good flavor. And especially with the chocolate drizzle, it tastes very good. It's coffee.
So we just finished, I made Roma d'Italia. It's a little wrap up, so I have a second thought on that pizza. It was a lot better when I had it a little later. Added some Parmesan cheese, some of the peppers on it, and it tasted really good. So it's a good, I mean, not as good as the other pasta dishes that we had there. I like those better still, but it was still worthwhile, especially that crust and that bread is so tasty. You know, so if you want to come out to this place in Tustin, if somehow you're in the area of Tustin and you're interested in having a good family-owned Italian dinner, feel free to come here. It's not going to completely burn a hole in your wallet. It's probably about Olive Garden style prices, you know, and it's better than Olive Garden. So come on out, try it out, see what you think.